All right, everyone. Now, moving on from our PowerPoint presentation, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use AI to give us insights from our data and recommendations of what visuals to use from our data so that we can compare and contrast what we did versus what the AI thinks. So here you see I have Microsoft Copilot open. As students here at William Patterson, we all have access to a Copilot account using our student email and the password, our student login. So now to get started, instead of starting with Microsoft Copilot, I actually have ChatGPT open here. And in this case, we're using the free version of ChatGPT, the 5.5 instant model. And we're going to use ChatGPT to optimize a prompt for us to use in Copilot. And there are structured approaches to writing AI prompts, including acronyms like Automat, Craft, or CoStar that'll help you get more accurate or consistent results. However, we decided not to take this approach exactly. Instead, we decided to allow AI to optimize our prompt for us. And in this case, the AI being ChatGPT. Okay, so I have a pre-built prompt that I'm going to paste into ChatGPT here. And this prompt, the goal of this prompt, again, is to optimize for Copilot specifically. And the goal here in Copilot is to give Copilot our Excel file to give us insights back on the data and recommendations so that we can then compare and contrast with our own work. So to help it out, just to be as specific as possible, I gave names of each sheet in my Excel file with descriptions of what is in there. And then we're just we want to tell Copilot to look through the data and come up with insights, and then also give it lists of exactly what we want it to do. And then also something very important at the end, I put that if it has any questions, if it doesn't understand any of our data, any ambiguities about it, to ask us questions, because if the AI starts inferring anything, we're going to get inaccurate information, and that is not what we want. So with the prompt optimizer in ChatGPT, I'm going to send it, and we should get a response instantly since we're just asking for words back. And you'll see ChatGPT gives us a very easy copyable prompt for Copilot relatively quickly. And as you could tell, just from the surface, it is a lot more specific than something we could have come up with so easily. And again, just to reiterate, this is because the more specific we are with any AI, especially Copilot, we want the better the results we will get. So after I copied this prompt, I'm going to go to Copilot, and I'm going to paste it into Copilot. And then also, not forget, I want to add my Excel file to this prompt by clicking this plus sign here. And go to Upload Image or Files. And then in Data here, I have the Excel file that I was working on in the previous videos. I'm going to double click it. And now, with the optimized prompt ready and my Excel file with the data, I'm going to send it. And because AI has to look through the Excel file, it may take just a little bit longer than it did before. Okay, so now I got my output from Copilot, and there were some ambiguities. Copilot seems to not be too sure about some things in my data, so I'm just going to go through the questions it has for me and answer them accordingly. Okay, so now I answered the questions that Copilot had for me and cleared up all the ambiguities it had. I got my output. I have a nice list of insights, and we'll see it gives us the evidence, the worksheet comes from, the fields, gives us calculations, it's proving it, the limitations, it's giving us, and it even gives us a recommended visual with steps on how to create it inside of Excel and then transferring it to PowerPoint. And we can see there's many of them, 2, 3 insights, 4 insights. There's really a lot to work with here. And then even gives us a summary at the end. And we were able to get this strong output because of the optimized prompt that we got from ChatGPT. So these inputs and outputs from Copilot, you'll be able to find these inside the Blackboard course shell that you got this course from, as well as the prompt optimizer we used to put inside of ChatGPT. As students, we also have access to a free Gemini Pro account. Any student, you could sign up just using your student email. And that concludes this video. Have fun, everyone.